Our top story tonight at 6. A judge has postponed a decision on a potential temporary protective order between NAACP Macon chapter president Gwennette Westbrooks and Macon-Bibb County Commissioner Brendalyn Bailey.
Westbrooks requested the TPO earlier this month, accusing Bailey of stalking her. 41 NBC's Taylor Gilchrist has the latest.
Dozens gathered inside a Bibb County courtroom to hear arguments in a stalking case against Macon-Bibb District 9 Commissioner Brendalyn Bailey, brought forward by NAACP Macon Chapter President Gwennette Westbrooks. But one very important person was absent from the proceedings.
But why did somebody give you a lawyer that can't come?
Well, that's what the National did.
The National what?
The National Association for the Advancement of the Colored People.
Westbrooks says her NAACP appointed attorney Gerald Griggs was unable to attend Wednesday's hearing due to having another scheduled in Atlanta at the same time. Westbrooks is seeking a temporary protective order against Bailey, which would prevent the commissioner from coming within 150 feet of her. According to documents, the conflict is centered around Westbrooks refusing to admit she knew Bailey in 2012, which sparked a public dispute between the two. Westbrooks claims Bailey called the sheriff to have her removed from City Hall after a January commission hearing before threatening to harm Westbrooks in text messages to another public official. In those messages, Westbrooks also claims Bailey vowed to keep pursuing her until she admitted to knowing her and confronted Westbrooks at another event afterwards. Bailey and her team have denied the claims. Attorney Duke Groover asked the judge to vacate the order before it expires.
This temporary protective order is hanging over our heads right now, and she is a Bibb County commissioner that has to do her job in that capacity, and there's some urgency to that part of this case.
Under a February 7th modified order, Bailey was permitted to be on City Hall property. Those listed as witnesses included Macon Water Authority board member and former commissioner Elaine Lucas and former mayoral candidate Shakita Maxwell. Judge Richard Weingarten made multiple attempts to reach attorney Griggs by phone but was unsuccessful. Weingarten, Westbrooks, and Groover ultimately agreed to reschedule the hearing. That rescheduled TPO hearing will take place here at the Bibb County Courthouse on Wednesday, March 5th at 9:30 a.m. Reporting in Macon, Taylor Gilchrist, 41 NBC News.
And 41 NBC did seek comment from Westbrooks and Bailey after the hearing. Both declined. Stay with us for updates on this story as they become available.